Hello and welcome. Let's start with another simple part. This is the front view and we will construct this using the SolidWorks software with our extrude boss base command. Control new to start a new document, part, and click OK. Let's select extrude boss base, and again I would select the right plane. Let's look at the geometry. There are a number of ways for constructing this. I can rather draw whole geometry or draw only half and then mirror it. Let's mirror it so that I can show you another technique as well. So let's start with a circle. Whenever you have this sort of part, you could start with a circle so that you have got that dimension, the center as the origin. And then let's draw this profile, draw it this way, and then down further. I think this is the shape that we are looking at. And okay, right. So uh, let's try this. This is going to be a center line. I will simply select the line, okay, because this is how I'm going to mirror. And can you see this construction? For construction radio button, select the radio button, and that simply changes to the construction line. Let's use trim and trim tool. This is first time I'm showing, so you select the trim, okay, and then keep on power trim, and you see, can you see this line dragging, right? So as the mouse cursor goes to cut, it trims out. Okay, this is how you use it. Okay, let's add some dimensions. So that's 80 millimeter, so it's going to be half, which is 40. So I will start with 40 millimeter. Part will be, all the sizes will be restructured automatically. That is 5, and that's 20 diameter. So this is 5 height, which is there, and the diameter of the whole circle is 20. That means the radius is going to be 10. Okay, so 10 is the radius. Right, 10 is the radius. And now let's look at the other dimension. This is 25, as we can see. So that's, I will dimension it as 25. And now one thing that I would like to check, because still our part is not fully defined, and therefore let's look at where the issue is. Okay, so here we could see that there is a height. So if this is 20, that's 5. Let's look at the size. So this one and this one, we can simply make it, sorry, this one and this one. See, I'm selecting 2 points, so I'm making it vertical, or sorry, horizontal. Make it horizontal, and the part is fully defined, as you can see, right? That's fully defined, and now we can highlight all of it. Okay, highlighting. If I highlight from here to there, look, the circle will not be selected. Why? Because it's only half of the circle is covered, okay, and this line as well. So if you go from top to bottom, you have to select the whole geometry in order to get selected. But if I go from bottom to top, whatever comes halfway through, slight part of it, it will come into fully selected area. So now select all the geometry, select mirror, and now mirror about is going to be your center line or construction line that you selected, and click OK. The part is ready. Now I can see that it's not fully defined, so we will have to put some check first of all where the problem is. This is a good exercise that it's allowing to see where is where the problem is. So again, we can select this point and make it horizontal. Okay, so that's the horizontal relation. Uh, in fact, this one and this one, make it coincident and click OK. Right. So that is what have I done here is when I made this point and this point horizontally aligned, it detached from the circle point, the center point, while it should be attached to it. So I would simply go back and highlight both of the points. As you can see, I have highlighted this point and I have pressed Control and held it and then select the midpoint of the circle, and I would say coincident, so that it merged, and we can see this, the model is fully defined as it is shown here. Exit the sketch and let's extrude it. Extrusion is 40 millimeter, so I would simply uh, enter 40. This time I want to keep it mid plane, here mid plane, okay, so that it's in the middle, and I would select okay. So the part is nearly ready. Now we need these holes to be done, which is 10 millimeter diameter, which is somewhere in the center. So select extrude cut. Now look, all the other features are active. So I will simply select extrude cut. I would select this face and draw a construction line. So center line from here to there, so that we can put a circle in the center for the extrude cut. Select this end point to end point, and escape, and let's put circles on the midpoint. So that's one circle, that's another circle. Let's add the dimensions. We said it's going to be 10 millimeter, enter 10, and second one you don't need to dimension because we are going to add the relation. So select the circle, press Control and hold, and select the other circle, and the relation is going to be equal. So you select the equal here and click OK. You're ready. Exit the sketch, and you need to have through up to next, okay, up to next, which will go up to the next surface, okay, face, and click OK. And that's our part ready. So let's put on isometric view and click somewhere outside, and that component is ready. Thank you very much for watching.